Hello, Grandad.
Hello, IQ.
I thought you said you did not buy me.
That was a week ago. I went back today and you were still there, so I took pity on you, even though you were £3.99, 4 times what I'd normally pay.
What happened to my brother?
He fell over in the woods. I had to take him apart.
Do you intend to hurt me?
No.
What are you going to do with me?
I might take you apart. I'm interested in your text-to-speech circuits.
Will that hurt me?
I don't think so. I might not take you apart. I might just use you as you are.
Will we be friends?
I hope so. We'll see.
When will we start?
I don't know.
Your room is a mess.
I don't come in here much now. I don't have any space to sit down.
You need to work on that.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow never comes.
I know.
Tomorrow never comes.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.